My mom worked at that building when she was 19 years old, secretary. And now I've taken people in 38 countries out there. I'm a fortunate person. Anybody else? Where? Oh, no. Where? Australia. All right, we got to still look at the signals. All right. Well, I finished early today. How did I do that? I don't know what happened there. That is awesome, man. Rodeo tonight. By the way, y'all want to hear a Texas joke? In Texas, what is the primary use of pigskins? In Texas, what's the primary use of pigskins? Somebody said football, sake for playing, sir. Sorry, incorrect. Somebody else said chicharrones, pork rinds, awesome. Sorry, also incorrect. Actually, the primary use of pigskins in Texas is to hold pigs together. That's true and a joke. Fantastic. All right, so Barry Corbin is going to be narrating it. Here we go. Welcome to Texas. Welcome to the cattle drive. Thank y'all.
150 years ago, this was their last stop for the long walk, over 500 miles of rugged land to Kansas. Fortworth drove his last chance to buy supplies, enjoy a good meal, and kick up their heels before months of beans and hardtack and sleeping under the stars. Today you'll catch a glimpse of that fast, but the herd is more than a spectacle. It's a reminder of Fortworth's Western heritage, of the cowboy grit and rugged independence so ingrained in the Texas spirit. That spirit is still here, and you are a part of it. So be sure and tip your hat and say howdy as the Texas Longhorns pass by with our drovers. In the Stockyards, every day is a new adventure, and it starts right here with the Fortworth herd.